Hey guys, so I thought I would vlog today and we're actually at the beach. It is Isaac's birthday, but I just want to say I feel so nauseous. We went out for Isaac's birthday yesterday, like for lunch, and we had like this vegan chocolate waffle crepe pancake thing. And it was so rich and I'm definitely not used to it, so it made me really sick. I had like a little bit of chocolate today and I feel really sick again. So I'm just not feeling it today. I'm feeling very lethargic, very flat, very nauseous. But we're at the beach and it's really, really pretty. So hopefully the water will kind of give me a pick me up. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long, since Vlogmas. So I'm actually curious, like, do you guys like a bit of vlogging on my channel, or do you prefer the more formal sit down videos? Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm actually considering doing a vlogging channel to separate it, or I might incorporate vlogging onto this one, but I'm just torn because of like my whole time management. So yeah, let me know. Isaac is fluffing around.
Tiana's fluffing around because she didn't grab Theo's stuff.
Isaac, what are you looking for? Guys, this is how messy, this is real life. This is real life. Isaac, Theo's spare clothes bag is in here. Nice, isn't it? Freezing.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Look at that shit. Ooh.
Ooh, shark food. Don't put it in your mouth. What is it? It's so squishy, isn't it? Squishy like nothing.
Now Tiana wants hot chips.